System pages. System pages are used by PEG application for the internal purpose. Like it holds the data of the PEG application. Like it holds the data of operators, it holds the data of your servers. That no details the security snapshots and all it will hold. System pages contains the data related to the system. You can note the data related to your case. You understand the difference in what is the case-related information and what system-related information. Any questions still no? No, we will see property creation and we will end up today. Okay, it's very simple. I will show you. Here we have records, right? We are in Recents tab. Now here we have records. If you click on records, these are all rule categories. Okay, everything in Pega is a rule. Okay, this is a rule categories. Here you can see under data model. You have property. If you click on this property, it will open instance of properties, instance in the sense, all the properties of the system. These are all instances in the sense. These are the system properties. Okay, all the natural system properties, all the properties of an application, see city is there. P-wave properties. Are there normal properties? Are there PX properties? Are there PX properties also? You can find it here. Okay, all the properties you can actually see on this property instances. Now, if you want to create one property, you have to click on this create. Okay, just give a label. What suppose you are? You are working for any government application. You want to create a property to hold an other number, other card number, you can use that thing. Other number, okay. Other number and applies to? Is there this one? I will tell you in next session. The class. What is the class in Pega we'll discuss in the next session. For now, I was giving this primary class work class. Work class. This is called work class. Hyphen work is there. It's a work class and creating one application like one property. Just to quick ask, are these classes remain same or, as per the application, these classes will be varied? Whatever the application is, class will change. Okay, this is a GoGo Road application. Right. So the class is something GoGo Road. If you take something like Bank of America, okay, it actually starts with the BYFA Bank of America. Okay, BYFA like that. Okay, based on an organization. First GoGo is an organization. Okay, if you take something like Bank of Monitor, it will start with BMO dash. Okay, and next is application name. GoGo Road is application name. Like if you are using something like online order. Okay, like then how it will be? Amazon online order like that work? Okay, based on an organization and application, these classes will change. I will tell you what is in detail about classes in the next sessions. Okay, you have to provide a class to every rule. This is a property rule. Which we have created is a property rule. Everything is a rules in a Pega. So this property rule you have created, the property name is Aadhaar. Generally Aadhaar is very long digits like a very long number. So generally you will keep. It is a text. You can change this one. You can click on here change. You see there are so many properties here. Date. Is there double integer password text and clip date? True or false? Like, true or false is nothing but checkbox or radio buttons. Okay, radio buttons. You know right, checkbox and radio buttons. Yes. Okay. See, based on your requirement. Okay, suppose you are creating a property called something like city. City is nothing but a text, right? You will keep it to the text. If you are creating something like amount, some kind of amount, like some kind of transaction amount. Transaction amount is in numbers, right? You can keep. It is a double or decimal. You can keep. Okay, you understand. Suppose you are selecting like, you are choosing, like in an online order. You are actually selecting a number of items to be added to a cart, like 2 items, 3 items. That is an integer. You cannot add, like 2.2 items, 2.3 items. You cannot choose like that right whenever you are adding something to your cart. Okay, that is an integer. Okay, based on your requirement. You have to choose your property type. These things are there at single page list. We will discuss. Okay, we will discuss in coming sessions. Don't worry. First of all, let's see about single value. If you are choosing your birth date, okay, birthday date, then it will be the date type property. It will hold date information. Understand what I'm trying to say? Properties are nothing but these things where you are seeing on clipboard, right? These are all properties. We are discussing right. Clipboard is like a book inside a book. You have pages. Pages hold information on properties. Properties contains the data. Okay, every page will be having a property. Each property will be holding one kind of data. Suppose if you see on PWA work page, PX application is a property which holds Gogoroad value. PX in the sense this is a PEGA inbuilt property. Okay, which you can only read. Any questions till now? Whatever you have mentioned earlier, that is for the user-defined properties, right? For example, account ID, and then it say. Yeah, these are all. Yeah, these are all the properties which are specific to your application. Got it? Yes, it's kind of like suppose you're working. Correct. PXPWA. PWA and PZ properties are only will be coming from the out-of-the-box PEGA platform. Like out of the box. Those properties will be present on every PEGA platform, like whatever the PEGA platform. You have all those things you will be having. Is it fine, guys? Like what we are discussing? Yes, yes. Yeah. Any questions till now?